everybody! Welcome to another episode of MARTABAK
Vegemite, sorry. Again.
Today, this episode is brought to you by our lovely friends at Indomie who have supplied all the Indomie here, and also some chitatos, and also these awesome t-shirts with
Check
the
out
Indomie.
our cute t-shirt. It has like Indomie packets on it. So today, we decided to test his bahasa skills. I've picked out an Indomie recipe and it's in Indonesian, and he's gonna have to read it and decipher it, and we'll see what we end up with. So the thing about this recipe is I didn't put any title on it, so he doesn't have an idea of what it is. Also, it's not just like making your standard Indomie. Actually, there's some twist if you can't already figure it out from the different ingredients we have here.
Bahan. I have no idea what bahan means, but bahan. Satu bungkus Indomie.
Which one could
What
it
could
be?
be Indomie? This one. So satu bungkus Indomie. Bungkus is packet maybe? Packaging? I don't know. Setengah buah bawang Bombay. Bawang is onion. So I think it's this one, the onion. Satu SDM.
Yeah, that's sendok makan.
Sendok makan tepung terigu. I'm gonna go lock it in. It's flour. 300 mils of susu cair. So that's probably light milk. Satu kotak keju cheddar. Probably the cheddar cheese. 2 sendok makan keju parmesan cheese. 1 sendok teh oregano, which is the oregano leaves, I assume. Lada hitam, black something. So it's probably the black pepper, I'm gonna guess. And garam, which is garlic?
There's no garlic on this.
Yeah, I know, but what the hell is garam?
You didn't read.
Oh, my bad. So 3 buah bakon sapi. So that'd be this bad boy right here. We're using chicken. Sapi though is beef. So instead of beef, we got ayam. So yeah, I guess without further ado, shall we get started? So, step number 1. Rebus mie hingga matang, angkat dan tiriskan. Let's break this down for a minute. Rebus, I have no idea what that means. Mie is noodles. Hingga is matang, I know what that word is, but I forgot. Angkat dan tiriskan.
That's
okay.
a new word for you.
Well, tiris is cold. So to tiriskan is to make it cold.
In what world tiris is cold?
Maybe it's Sundanese.
Maybe.
So rebus mie. So rebus is probably like to open it, I guess.
Here, clue. What do you do with a raw Indomie noodle?
You put it in boiling water.
Yeah, okay, go.
But why does it not say ayat or anything here?
Rebus is boil.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go get my pot and fill it up with water. So we got that boiling in the background. So rebus mie hingga matang. Matang I think is raw then.
This is raw. You wanna boil it until it's raw?
Hingga cooked. Brown. Soft. Angkat dan tiriskan. So we gotta lift it up from the boiling water and let the water go.
Yeah. Oh, you got it!
Okay, so that's gonna boil. While we wait for it to boil, we have to do
do the
the step
next
2. Panaskan teflon anti lengket. So whatever lengket is, we're against it. Panaskan bakon sapi di atas teflon is frying pan. So we gotta warm up the frying pan. Okay. So now panaskan bacon. So we're cutting that open.
Whoa, already. Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Deandra. Even when there's a zip-lock bag at the top, she still cuts to the bottom.
Okay, let me try it. I wanna try it. I mean,
Wait,
it's cooked,
is it
right?
cooked? It is cooked, right? I want some too.
We can't get food poisoning together.
Yeah, but just tastes like salami. So we're gonna get this cut up into little bits.
I'll help Reza a bit. The water is boiling, so we'll put in the noodles.
So Dee, what kind of ingredients do you normally use whenever you cook Indomie at home?
Just plain Indomie goreng or goreng. I'm so. Oh my god.
I'm so Aussie.
Kalau
Fingers.
makan Indomie goreng, tambahin kecap lagi. Terus the seasoning, I actually don't use too much of it because I don't like it. And then I would use an egg, and that's how I like it.
So I've just come across a little thought bubble, if you will. These are already cooked. So I'm not cooking them again. To give it that crunchy texture. Let's do it, baby. So we're gonna rip it apart into little bits so that...
You know, there's something we call a knife.
What's that? In Australia, we use our hands. Actually, no, in Indonesia, you use your hands.
You're a bad representation of both countries. I'm sorry, I take it back. I take it back. I don't feel bad anymore. He called me worse names.
No? Like what? That's right, you can't even say it on
Beep,
camera.
beep.
So step 3 is masukkan bawang bombay, masak hingga layu. Okay, let's break that.
Hinga. It's an A.
I know,
I
I'm
mean,
sorry.
I know you don't understand the words, but you can still read letters. Okay, so with the bawang bombay, you don't put it whole.
I know that. I know. What? Do you think I'm stupid?
No, because it's
Don't
not in
answer
the
that
steps.
question. I don't know if there's a proper way to cut an onion. I got this.
He's peeling it.
So I assume you're not supposed to peel it. I was just testing you. Don't worry about it.
I'm really anxious about this.
Ooh. There we go, folks. The first cut into freedom.
Alright, so now I'm gonna tiris the noodles.
Deandra Priambodo, how you doing back there?
Are you supposed to use my full name? What if I want to be anonymous? I didn't even say my name was Deandra. I said my name was D.
This is why I can't have a conversation with her. Everything's so technical about it. Hey, how was your day? Did I say I had a day?
He's taking ages.
I'm scared. I don't want to cut my feet. So she's heating up the Teflon. Panaskan bakon sapi di atas Teflon. We're gonna put the bacon chicken bits into the hot Teflon, and we're gonna let that cook. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Oh, can you smell it through the camera? Next, masak hingga matang. Cook until cooked. Lalu sisihkan. Anyway, step 3. Masukkan bawang bombay. Masak hingga layu. Kemudian masukkan tepung. Aduk hingga sedikit cekek. Alright, so we're not lifting it out of the pan. We're gonna put the onions in with the meat. Can we get the pan over here? So now with the meat all sisihkan, whatever that means, we're gonna get the onions in. Look at that mixture of chicken, bacon, and onions in a pan. Let's go get it back on the stove. How are we going over there with the chicken?
They're nearly burnt, so you gotta...
That's good. Okay. Kemudian masukkan tepung. I don't know, man. I'm stressing out. I don't know what any of these words mean. Oh! 1 SDM tepung terigu, and I thought that was the flour. So we're gonna get 1 sendok makan tepung terigu, which is 1 sendok of this, and we're gonna kemudian masuk tepung. We're gonna put it in the pan. Let's go. And we're gonna put that in there. Boom. Aduk hingga sedikit kecoklatan. Oh, cook until it's brown. That's what it means. Yes, because chocolate is the color for brown. For all my English speakers at home, chocolate, even though it's chocolate, as in the food, it's also the color. Who am I teaching? I feel like everyone who's going to be listening to this is going to have better Indonesian than me. But hey, if there's one person out there with worse Indo than me, I'm so sorry. So next, step 4. Tuang, susu, dan keju cheddar. So we're going to do something with both the cheddar cheese and the susu. So I assume we've got to mix them? Tuang. Sure, we're doing it. I have a bowl here, so I'm going to use... Actually, no, is this for the noodles? I'm going to use this. I'm going to assume that the bowl's been placed here so that I can mix the cheese with the milk. Does this all sound good to you so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick, awesome. Cool, we got the milk there, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that into the bowl. So now, we have the milk in a bowl. So I'm gonna assume that he needs to mix it in with the milk. I really hope that's right.
Yeah, so here's the thing though. The ingredient says 1 kotak keju cheddar, and that's because keju craft, which is the one we always use in Indonesia, is always sold in a box.
Ah, kotak, te kotak. So we're gonna use that as reference, te kotak, which is a box of tea.
I mean, it's
and I know
clever.
it's about that tall, so we're gonna put about that much. So, how are you supposed to mix?
No, because
Am I supposed to whisk it?
the steps are written with reference to the pan.
It's supposed to be in the pan. Nani kore? Okay, guys, we're moving over to the pan. Can we get the pan over here real quick? Ooh, what are we making? This is weird. Awesome, let's get the fire back on. So, lalu masukkan. So we're gonna go ahead and masukkan the mie rebus. What's rebus again? I can't remember. I don't know. And we're gonna stir that around until it's tercampur, which is. Setelah itu, so after that, masukkan the bacon strips. Wait, the bacon's already in there. I stuffed up, ladies and gentlemen. So the bacon's probably going to be a little bit overcooked. I mean, it was already cooked, so the fact that we put it in the pan after it was cooked already means it's overcooked.
So by this point, I think I can tell you that sisihkan means put aside.
Lalu sisihkan. It's the to put it aside. Well, anyway, let's move on. I guess I'm sad now. Aku sedih sekarang. Pepper, salt. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan real quick. Doesn't say to do it in the steps, but hey, on MARTABAK VEGEMITE, the slogan is, what's the slogan?
We do what we do.
That's right, we do what we do. Okay, so now we've got the Indomie and I'm gonna quickly add it to the pan. Oh, Dee's gonna add it to the pan and I'll tell her what to
bring
do.
It.
Oh, okay.
You wanna put it in?
Yes, because it says masukkan mie rebus. And rebus is like Red Bull. Oh, look at that.
Can you guess by now what sauce it is?
Man, I don't know. I
Ladies
just
and
put stuff
gentlemen.
in my mouth. I don't question what it is. That
He
sounds
doesn't
wrong.
ask what they are.
I do, and then I forget. I have really bad memory.
He just.
I do, I forget. I have really bad memory.
It
Do you get it? Because I have bad memory. So okay, cool.
starts with a C, ends with an A.
Celana. Starts with a C. Man, I should know this.
Here, plating.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's go. Ooh.
Plate nicely. It's the least you could do.
This is the weirdest Indomie I've ever seen in my entire life.
I've never made this before, so.
And look at
Oh,
that.
it's hot!
You okay?
Yeah.
Step 5. Sajikan dengan taburan keju parmesan dan oregano. You know what that means, ladies and gentlemen? Sajikan is seasoned. So we're gonna go ahead and get the parmesan, sprinkling the tinkle. Sprinkle the tinkle. Next is oregano, which is right here. Ooh, that's smell it, smell it, smell it. What does it smell like? Oregano. Because here at MARTABAK VEGEMITE, we do
What we do.
that's right. And we're gonna give it a sprinkle of oregano.
Oh my god! And we're done!
We're done?
I want to be a MasterChef judge and just like taste it first.
Oh, I hope it's good.
So it's the sauce. It's thick and creamy and mamma mia. Alright, let's go. I like the sauce.
Let me try.
What does it taste like?
That's pretty good.
Oh, sick.
That's
Okay.
pretty good.
So time to reveal
The title.
the title. This is Indomie Carbonara.
Carbonara. Ah, I knew that word. I just forgot it.
Indomie Chelana. I'm gonna eat it with the chitato. Because I always love a bit of crunchy in my food.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, do that. So we have the chitatos mixed in.
Whoa!
Okay, so to describe the taste to you of just the Indomie carbonara, it's very thick and creamy like carbonara is. Here's the thing though, right? I love Indomie for its simplicity. I love being able to chuck it in a pot, chuck the seasoning in, and then maybe chuck a couple veggies in. This is good, but I think I prefer it just as what you got pictured right there. Classic Indomie. This is a good alternative, you know? If you're a broke college student, Exhibit A, Indomie's probably gonna be your best friend. And you gotta mix it up a little bit. If you're having Indomie standard all the time, having something cool like this, where it's just a random fusion of different ingredients just chucked in there and mixed together to make Frankenstein's monster, it's pretty good.
What I love most about Indomie is you buy Indomie because you don't want to cook. I mean, that's the most Reza has cooked, you know? Like, just like 3-minute noodles. That's as far as his skills go.
Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Outro song, go. Okay, you just watched a video with Reza and D. We just made some food, Indomie. We used some susu and some salt, but guess what? The pan was hot. I used cheese and it melted real nice. This is Indomie, so we don't need rice.
How long is this song gonna go? My 5-star.
Alright, bye guys, seriously, bye. Bye, I love you. Aku cintamu.